Hey everyone, Sean Tannenbaum here. I am on the committee of Bay East YPN. I'm here today to talk about the most frequent MLS violations here at our association. So first one is photos on the MLS or even lack of photos on the MLS. Let's take a look.
Okay, no photos on this listing. No photos on this one either. What's going on? Okay, finally photo, but no exterior photo. Okay, here's some photos.
That's an example that we don't want you to do. Here are the MLS rules for posting photos on your active listings. Now here's our most common MLS violation. Hey Alex, this is Sean with YPN Realty.
Hey, this is Alex.
I was calling about your property 123 Main Street in Pleasanton. I see that it's active, so I just wanted to call to see when you're taking offers.
Actually, we're pending right now.
Oh, you're pending. Okay, how long have you been pending for?
It's about 4 days.
4 days now? Okay. Alright, sounds good. Well, I just want to let you know that on the MLS it does say it's active. So, thank you for the information and good luck. Once again, that's something you shouldn't do, but here is the MLS rule.